Leo loves Parkside. Lidl
I
tools.
only go to Lidl for the tools.
He loves them.
I've got a Parkside jigsaw. So, the trouble is, when you're trying to use it, you have to slide your finger across the button and it won't switch itself off.
Yeah.
So Leo, you've mended the tractor.
We'll start it in a minute, then we can go. That's looking good. And that's not going anywhere either. Right.
And you're the muscles, John.
You what?
The tractor has been stuck for quite a long while.
Oh hi. I don't want to sit on stone. Ed, don't go over me lemon verbena. That's my only thing. Don't go over it.
And I like Leo reversing then.
Yeah, Abe, you've got a bottle of oil as well under the tractor.
You lost a lot of oil.
It's all good.
Hydraulic, so probably have to top up on hydraulic. Oh yeah, we had to dismantle all the front of it.
Where's the battery on this? On the front?
On the front, yeah.
I think it'll fire up, John.
Yeah, and because the wiring here is a bit haphazardous, as you can tell, look, all it takes is a slight short,
Yeah.
and it can bleed the battery. Oh. Now what else did you do?
Hang on a second.
Yeah.
Where's this from?
What's that?
What's this from?
Does it need hydraulic oil?
The caps.
Yeah.
I know what he did was he put caps. I know what he did. He put caps on these to stop the oil from leaking.
Oh, right, okay.
But then he took the caps off.
Right.
Okay. So I don't know why he had these. So I don't know why he took these off.
It stops well. I assume this is the stop.
Yeah. Yeah.
It stops well.
Yes. Takes about 2 minutes.
To stop.
Yeah.
That's not well, is it?
It's leaking, yeah.
I always turn the key. Good engine, isn't it? How can you beat that engine?
Stung by bloody wasps.
I told you. I told you it was lost.
They're only paper wasps.
Yes, of
Oh, Sharon's saying it's so good.
I don't think Sharon needs as much oil for lubrication.
Plenty of lubrication here.
Yeah.
She's a guzzler. Lovely gear train.
guys are taking the flange off now. Wow, amazingly done.
The water on them.
Oh yeah. I think it's water or beer or Monroe, I don't know. Something liquid.
Wow.
We've got them checking these. We can hear, now we can hear, we bring the device to measure the deep.
Today, and also what we did was, after they left and did the work, me and Angela decided to go out for a dinner, and we had a massive...
Just local?
A local meal, and we had a massive steak, which we shared between both of us.
And Belle.
And Belle, and we had a jug of wine, and didn't expect to get a jug of wine, but a huge jug of wine. Now, I can't
because they couldn't speak English.
Yeah, but they couldn't speak English.
They thought we meant jug of wine, not
and I've got a
large beer.
And I've got a very low tolerance for alcohol. I mean, I get drunk ever so easy. And I had about 2.5 glasses. Angela, of course, she managed to polish most of it off. And as soon as I got home, I just literally zonked out. 2 hours, literally, sleep.
Yeah, but what we had a large steak and chips and salad between two of us.
Yeah.
We had olives and bread to start with.
Oh, and a pudding.
A jug of a litre jug of wine. We had 2 puddings and 2 coffees. And 19 euros.
19 euros. I could not believe it. Only 8 euros each.
That's 9.50 each.
Okay, well, I mean, right now I'm still a little bit tipsy. So, but I wasn't complaining. It was like fantastic value for money.
And it tasted absolutely delicious, actually.
Yeah, I mean, I've been to a lot of steakhouses, and it's probably
it got Bella's approval because she actually finished it off. It's too windy at the moment to go outside, so he actually came back. And what did he do, Abe?
He did he tested the depth of the water. Now he put a line down and a camera down, and it turns out that we've got water at 50 meters, which is excellent. Which is from Algarve, it's phenomenal. And the well itself is 72 meters in pipe, which isn't that deep really. So we have a lot of water. We've got about 22 meters of water all the way down from 50 downwards. Yeah, also there's where we are, we seem to have a massive trackment of water underground. So he said that 1,000, even if the farmers use a lot of water around here, it won't go down much. So the water itself is, we're very fortunate, very, very fortunate. But at the same time, we have got mains water. But ideally, it's great for what we've got for irrigation, the swimming pool we want to put in, and it will work out cheaper in the long run. I know it's very expensive setup.
Initial cost probably about 2,500.
Yeah, but what we've got is our bore pump. We bought a bore pump from a friend, and it costs us 500 euros, including all the cable. Now the cable itself is worth nearly 1,000 euros for the cable we bought, and the motor's burned out. But we've got a very good bore pump. It's a Grundig. Grundig, yeah. And he said it's stainless steel. So, but the motor's no good, but the rest of it is. The actual stem of it is worth around 2,000 plus, but the motor to replace the motor is 1,200. So regardless, however you're looking at it, originally the cost would have set us back 7,000 euros, but we've managed to get the cost down hopefully to about 2,500 euros in total. So
we're having to buy an engine which is 1,200.
Yeah, euros. Yeah, but it all comes with
bore pump.
But the good thing is the motor, the bore pump, the motor comes with a warranty because it would be installed by experts. Now we could have installed it ourselves, but the trouble is we would lose the warranty, and it's such an expensive piece of kit. Yeah, the bore company do supply the warranty with the bore pump as well.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
You know, so I think it comes with a 2-year warranty. I'm not sure. I don't think it's less than 2 years, but it comes with a 2-year warranty. So it's worthwhile paying the extra bit of money.
Yeah.
Just for the peace of mind. Yeah, I mean, I'm waiting for it to get a bit cooler now. I wasn't going to use my diggers. I was going to use my diggers this afternoon to do some work, but I was a bit too dizzy and I didn't want to drive through someone's yard.
Plus the fact it's like 31 degrees at least.
You know, today has been unbelievably warm, but it's exactly what I've always wanted.